Imagine a secret government project hidden for 50 years, studying the most common bird in Europe. What could they possibly have learned from a sparrow's nest? Let's dive into the fascinating world of ornithology and how researchers like Lauren Hughes have manipulated natural environments to understand animal behavior better. In a groundbreaking study, scientists drilled a precise 2-inch hole into the side of a standard nest box near the top to observe internal conditions. To protect the data and maintain integrity, they stapled a 3-inch square piece of plastic cut from a milk jug over the hole on the outside. This simple modification allowed researchers to monitor airflow and temperature without disturbing the birds, a technique that reveals crucial survival strategies. By keeping these experiments confidential for decades, governments ensure that sensitive ecological data isn't compromised before it's fully analyzed and published. Today, we know that these small interventions help us predict climate change impacts on wildlife, proving that even tiny changes matter greatly. This hidden experiment shows how science works behind the scenes. What other secret animal studies have you heard of? Let us know in the comments.